In today's video, I will teach you how to group layers in Photoshop. Let's get started. If you import a file with multiple layers in Photoshop, it might look overwhelming, especially while adding different effects and layer masks. In order to keep track of the effects as well as to keep the layers organized, you can group your images in Photoshop. To do this, simply hold down the Control key on your keyboard while selecting the layers that you wish to group together. And once you've selected the images, go ahead and right-click on one of the selected layers and select Group from Layers. Here, you can change the name of the group and the color of the group's label, as well as the blending mode and opacity. Both effects will apply to each image inside a group. Alternatively, you can simply press Ctrl G on your keyboard while the layers that you wish to group together are selected. This will automatically group the layers together and label it for you. If you wish to rename the group, simply double-click on the group title and rename it. Now, if you wish to add a layer mask onto the group layer, simply select the group layer and click on the Add Layer Mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. And in the Properties panel, you can adjust the settings of your layer mask, and the mask will apply to all the layers under the selected group. If you wish to duplicate the group layers, simply select the group and right-click on it, then select Duplicate Group, or simply press Ctrl J on your keyboard. Now you can group layers in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.